Good morning, Mighty Bulldogs. I'm Miss Azendorf with your morning announcements on this wonderful Wednesday, the 27th day of January. And today is a B-Day. Please rise and join me for the Pledges of Allegiance. And before I do the pledges, if anybody knows the song I just played, I would love to know. It was one of my favorite bands in high school. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you'll make throughout the day. Thank you. May be seated. Celebrating a birthday today is Walter Ferris Montiel, 6th grader. Happy birthday, Walter. I hope you get some messages today. Again, congratulations to 100% of our seniors. They have all been accepted to a four-year university. It's a huge accomplishment. You put a lot of years of hard work into it, and we're really, really proud of you. January word count competition. Keep reading as much as you can. Ice cream is your prize, so I'm excited to see who wins. English 2 packet and book pickup. The Book of Unknown Americans is a great book, and I would love to know what you think when you finish it. But starting this Thursday and Friday, pick up your English 2 novel and mastery packet. They'll be in a box at the front office, so you can come at any time. It doesn't necessarily have to be during school hours. I hope you really enjoy the book. I did. Also, the 6th grade math pickup. Please tell your parents that you can pick up your math booklets, or your math unit workbook, for Unit 5 and 6 from 10:30 to 2:30 p.m. on Monday through Friday. Again, thank a teacher. There are some students who I don't know if they want to be called out by name, so I'll keep them anonymous, but they've done a really amazing job and written some really nice thank yous. So if you're willing to write a thank you to a teacher, to Mr. Rubio, to anybody on campus, you can go to that bit.ly. Similar but different, NHS is sponsoring some Valentine's Day grams. So if you'd like to send love to your classmates or neighbors or family, you can send a Valentine's Day gram. The form is open until February 10th, and you can go to that tiny URL, take a picture click because I'm about to switch over. You can also become a mentor. So juniors and seniors, we're looking for mentors for underclassmen. You can help make our school more comfortable and just build a new relationship with somebody and help somebody that's coming up behind you. You will also get community service hours. So you can go to that tiny URL. I'll give you a second. And similarly, if you're interested in a mentor to just build a relationship with someone, get some advice on college, on AP classes, this is open to 9th and 10th graders. You can fill out the form to get connected with a big buddy. It's a great idea. Thank you, NHS, for doing this. I wanted to point out or share with you that it's Holocaust Remembrance Day. It's the 76th anniversary of the liberation of Auschwitz, which was a concentration camp. And I wanted to just highlight it because I think it's a good day to reflect on our elders and those who came before us. There's still people who experienced Holocaust that are alive, and we're not that far away from some of the largest events in human history, or a big one at least in our lifetime. So what can we learn from the people and the history? Here's just a couple things that you could Google quick: the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum, and just some NPR interviews with real life people who were at Auschwitz. Also, DACA is open. DACA is an application that provides protection for young immigrants who are undocumented. It could be a really great opportunity if you qualify. It also is a great opportunity for somebody you know. If you are not undocumented, but you know somebody who is, and they are within the guidelines, please share this information with them. And calculators. I've said this announcement way too many times, so I had to spice it up a little bit. I have quite the treat. If you go to that bit.ly, you can watch one of my favorite SNL skits ever. Random story, we now call my mom Ma. I want a calculator. My mom has forever been Ma since we saw that skit. But anyways, juniors and seniors, bring your calculators. 8th graders, pick up your calculators. And everybody watch that skit and have a good laugh. Earn a chip party. Today is the last day for you to earn a chip party by completing your Montauk registration. It's important that we know that you are coming back, so please talk to your parents about getting that done. Refer a friend. Similarly, we're looking for new students, so the competition ends this Thursday, but you can refer a friend and potentially win some popsicles, so a lot of food in your future. And finally, if you're interested in recruiting new students and families, you can sign up at that bit.ly. Finally, here's the schedule again. I don't know how many more days I'm going to share this, but here's the schedule. Here's the 9th and 10th grade schedule. If you're confused for any reason, please reach out to a teacher or me. There was some overlap in classes that we can help clear up if you're confused about RTTC 3 or 4 and computer science, so I appreciate the students that have already asked their teachers questions. Attendance is important. We obviously want you to learn the important things that you need to help you later in life, the important critical thinking skills, all that stuff. But it also is just the law, so please make sure that you're showing up to school. Proper mask use, again, over the nose, over the mouth, over the chin. We all want to maintain safe protocols here, so please follow by keeping your mask in the appropriate spot on your face. Any questions, you can text us during normal school hours. Also, we post a lot of stuff on Facebook, so that's a good place to get the latest information. Now, because I'm doing the announcements and I also wanted to do a challenge of the day. So I wanted to challenge you to do something that brings you joy today, whether that's taking a walk, singing a song, coloring, dancing, watching TV, calling your aunt, whatever makes you happy. So if you want, you can send me a picture on Teams to show me what brings you joy, because it will also bring me joy. I actually am going to go see my aunt, safely of course, but I'm going to go see my aunt, and then I'm going to listen to some music really loud at home because I can, and I just feel like doing that since I'm on a kick of listening to high school bands that I loved. So please let me know what you're doing today that brings you joy. And as always, Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. And if no one tells you today, remember that we love you, we believe in you, and we always will. And now, of course, it's time for Move This World. As a part of my push for Move This World and social and emotional learning and reflecting on your mental health, I wanted to also highlight one of our alumni. She wrote an Alumni Spotlight, and we've been doing this for a few months. We asked students who were former Montopolis students, like, how did IDEA prepare you? What have you learned? What advice do you have? And Natalie, who graduated in 2019, talked about how she really had to prioritize her mental health and taking care of herself in college. And so Move This World is an important thing. Your mental health is really important. So if you need help, please reach out to someone. But also read this awesome Alumni Spotlight. I can send you the PDF if you like. Have a great day, Bulldogs. As always, we're very proud of you.